Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will be talking about some of the best smart drones for kids, beginners and even for experienced drone flyers to capture aerial images and 4K videos. Let's get started. First on this list is UNTEI EC102K HD FPV Kids Drone, an impressive flying companion that combines advanced features and high-definition capabilities for an exhilarating aerial experience. Capture stunning 1080p video with the EC100 and enjoy a remarkable flying time of up to 14 minutes, allowing you to explore and record your adventures from thrilling heights. With its 3-speed adjustable settings, you can customize the drone's flying speed to match your skill level and preferences, whether you're a beginner or an experienced pilot seeking fast-paced action. The One Key Start feature simplifies the drone's takeoff process, allowing you to effortlessly launch it into the sky with a single press of a button. Additionally, the gesture control function enables you to command the drone with simple hand movements, adding an element of interactivity and fun to your flying sessions. Perform impressive 3D flips and rolls with the EC100, showcasing its agility and maneuverability in the air. The altitude hold feature ensures stable flight, while the headless mode eliminates the need to worry about the drone's orientation, making it easy to control and navigate. Stay informed and in control with the smart alerts, which provide real-time notifications about battery status and other important flight information. When you're ready to land, the One Key landing function ensures a smooth and controlled descent, simplifying the process and ensuring a safe landing every time. Experience the thrill of aerial exploration with this 2K HD FPV drone. With its high-definition video capabilities, adjustable speed settings, gesture control, and a range of intelligent features, it offers an exciting and user-friendly flying experience for enthusiasts of all levels. Next on the list is DJI Mini 2 SE, a lightweight and foldable camera drone that brings high-quality aerial photography within reach. With its user-friendly features and impressive capabilities, it's the perfect companion for capturing stunning footage from the sky. Experience effortless takeoff with the easy and intuitive one-tap feature, allowing you to launch the drone with a simple touch. The Mini 2 SE is equipped with a 2.7K camera, enabling you to capture detailed videos and breathtaking aerial shots with remarkable clarity and precision. With DJI's O2 transmission technology, enjoy a maximum range of 10 kilometers for seamless and reliable connectivity between the drone and the remote controller. Designed to withstand challenging weather conditions, the Mini 2 SE boasts level 5 wind resistance, ensuring stable flight even in gusty conditions. Its 3-axis gimbal stabilization system guarantees smooth and steady footage, allowing you to capture cinematic shots with professional-level precision. Expand your creative horizons with features like Panorama Mode, which captures stunning wide-angle photos, and Quick Shots, offering pre-programmed flight paths for capturing dynamic and engaging footage. When you're ready to land, the Return to Home option ensures a safe and automated return to your starting point. The portable and compact, the Mini 2 SE is lightweight and foldable, making it easy to carry and store. Elevate your aerial photography with the DJI Mini 2 SE. Next on list is Potensic 4K Atom SE Combo GPS Drone, an advanced and feature-packed aerial companion that takes your drone flying experience to new heights. With its impressive capabilities and innovative technologies, it offers an immersive and stable flight experience. Enjoy an extended flying time of up to 31 minutes, allowing you to explore the skies and capture stunning aerial footage for longer durations. The Surge Fly technology combined with the time of flight sensor ensures optimized navigation, precise positioning, and stable control, even in challenging indoor or GPS-denied environments. Equipped with a 12-megapixels camera featuring a Sony sensor, the Atom SE captures breathtaking 4K videos, ensuring exceptional clarity and detail in your aerial shots. Experience seamless and reliable transmission with PixSync 2.0, offering a transmission range of up to 4 kilometers. This enables you to explore vast areas and capture stunning visuals from a distance, expanding your creative possibilities. With its level 5 wind resistance, the Atom SE can withstand strong gusts of wind, ensuring stability and smooth flight control. This feature allows you to fly confidently in various weather conditions, capturing clear and steady footage. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced pilot, the Potensic 4K Atom SE Combo GPS drone offers a user-friendly and intuitive flying experience. Its advanced features, including optimized navigation, Accurate positioning, high-quality camera capabilities, and long transmission range make it an excellent choice for capturing cinematic aerial footage and unleashing your creativity. Last on list, Holy Stone HS710 4K GPS FPV 5G drone quadcopter is an advanced aerial device designed for capturing stunning footage and providing an immersive flying experience. It is equipped with a brushless motor, which ensures powerful and efficient performance. The drone features a 90-degree adjustable lens, allowing you to capture various angles and perspectives while recording in 4K resolution. With a flight time of approximately 25 minutes, you can enjoy longer flights and more extended recording sessions without frequent battery changes. The Smart Return Home function enables the drone to automatically navigate back to its takeoff point, ensuring a safe return in case of signal loss or low battery. The 5 GHz transmission technology enhances the drone's connectivity, providing a stable and reliable signal for real-time video transmission and control. Overall, this drone combines advanced features such as brushless motor technology, adjustable lens, extended flight time, smart return home, and 5 GHz transmission to deliver high-quality aerial footage and a user-friendly flying experience. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, then don't forget to like and subscribe for future videos. Goodbye.